Hey everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video, I would really like to give you my feedback, my review on this microphone Samson Q2U in 2022. Um, I had this microphone for around a year and a half, and it's been a pleasure. It's very good for the quality, for the money that you pay. Okay, in $62, and this is the raw audio. I do not use any filters. I have some filters, but they're disabled. um so now the gain is set to 50, but if I set to 100, now it sounds different. But you can use my suggestion for you is to use 100% gain, but use some filters so you don't have any background noise. And it sounds great even if you don't use any filters. um, the quality is good, I think, especially for recording. It has a good quality, this microphone. And I do recommend, if you want to start a YouTube channel or you want to record your voice, it's a very good beginner friendly microphone if for the budget. Okay, I think that's really good quality. And on top of that, you can even use SLR. I only use USB. I don't have the SLR. I mean, I have SLR, but you need to have another thing that I forgot what it's called. uh yeah, exactly, this mixer you need to have. I don't have the mixer, I only have the SLR cable. But yes, if you really want to upgrade the quality of the microphone, you can simply buy a mixer and connect your mixer using the SLR cable, and you are good to go. So yeah, I think I should show you, I should give you the sound, the quality test. Like, okay, I'll move a little back so you can hear how the microphone sounds if the gain is set to 100 and I'm a little bit farther away from the microphone. So let's see. Hey guys. Um, hello. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Now I'm like around 50. Yeah, I'm a bit far away, like far away. Now I'm getting closer, and now I'm really close. Now let's set the gain to 50, to 60, to 85, and that's how it sounds. You can use a little more processing if you want to increase the quality of the mic, but just the raw audio, the raw quality, the mic, it's really good. I don't complain. I love it. It's what I really wanted. That's what I wanted. Okay. So I think that's the end of the video. Please, if you have any question, please drop your question down below, and I'll be happy to give you a response, an answer to your question. So please do not hesitate. Uh, I've been using this mic for a year and a half, so I have experience. I've used this mic a lot. Not every day, but when I started this YouTube channel, I use it every single day, almost. But yeah, if you have any type of questions, please don't hesitate. And now, if you found this video helpful and valuable, please subscribe and like for more videos. See you now in the next video. Take care.